Hey, get up.
Hey, what's wrong? What happened?
Shh, quiet. Mother is sleeping in the next room. Come, let's elope.
What?
We need to elope. We need to elope right now.
Elope? Why would we elope? What's wrong with you?
Lower your voice, please.
Why
Lower
would
your
we
voice. Mother is in the next room. She will wake up. If mother learns of it, she will say, Dear, how can Mithai go with you? Who is Mithai to you? It will lead to a lot of rumors in this small town. Mother won't let us elope. We need to elope right away. Come, we'll go to the hermitage.
One second. Hold on. Are you sure the only option is to elope? I mean, what will aunt think?
What will she think? What good is she thinking even now? She thinks you have cheated everyone, that you hurt Mithai a lot. Understand? How much worse can she think?
But that's not the truth, Mithai. Have I hurt you a lot? I mean, tell me, have I ever betrayed you?
Oh Lord, please give some wisdom to grandfather's grandson. Is this the time to talk about this? Here, put it on. We need to run. Put it on. Hey, listen, come quietly. Have control over your limbs, okay? There are a lot of things around. Don't walk into anything.
What?
No, I just mentioned it. After all, you are a spoiled prince, and spoiled prince aren't used to walk around in this small home. It can be a problem. That's why I'm warning you. Come on.
What do I have to do for Grandpa? Once let Grandpa come, everyone will see what I do to Grandpa. I have to listen to her lectures. I'm the one who throws things around. Nonsense. What happened?
Walk on your toes.
Hey, quiet. Shh.
Be quiet. And this won't wake mother up? Oof. I have no intention of fighting with you, okay? Come on.
Hey, Lord. How much more will I hurt my girl? She can't see anything without Siddharth. Maybe what Lord did was for the better.
Is everyone here?
Yes, sir. Everyone is here. I think now we all should leave. But where did Raj Kishori go? We will just start with the hymns. Priest, I will be back.
Will you please give me a musical instrument? I too will sing the hymns. Sure. Krishna Prana, hand him a musical instrument. Small one. Small one.
I don't understand, sir. If we keep breaking the hermitage rules like this, it will be a funny scandal. All the disciples with the family will come and want to beg with us. I'm giving him one just because you are asking me to. But I don't agree with this at all.
Oh man. So can I sing? Or that too banned for family men? Yes, definitely. No, I mean, a song comes from the soul, right? Music comes from the soul. I mean, the morning hymns that we do, the morning hymns, right? Morning is the best time. We can't sing all kinds of songs. I know.
Grandpa? What is all this, Grandpa?
They were waiting outside for Siddheshwar Modak.
That's why I brought them along.
Grandfather? Grandfather, what are you doing? You abandoned the family? Do you know how worried everyone is? Do you even know the condition of grandmother? Grandfather, come, let's return home. Please come back home.
Grandpa, there's a limit to childishness and you have crossed all the limits. What do you want? You want to teach me a lesson, right? What lesson? Tell me, I'm standing here. You didn't think of Grandma even once, right? What she must be going through, huh? If you have a problem with me, if there was any problem at home, you could have told me straight about it. Why did you run away from the house? You have no idea the state we are in. Grandpa, this is not done. You have to come with us. Let's go right away.
Look, Siddheshwar, look. Look at the mess you have created. Who's Siddheshwar? I am Siddheshwar Anand. Gurudev, please tell them, this is not a place for family members. Anger is banned here. We are getting late, guys. Come, let's leave.
What's wrong? What did he say?
Don't get so angry first. Calm down.
Why would I get angry? Of course I'll get angry. What is Grandpa thinking? That he'll return empty-handed? I won't go anywhere from here. I will return only with Grandpa. If needed, I'll stay here.
Quiet, my boy. Quiet. I am the head of this hermitage, Swami Achyutananda, your grandpa's Gurudev. Wow. This boy seems to have a temper on his nose. Come to my room.
No, sir. I mean, what do you call them?
Sir is not bad, you know. You come to my room. Let's chat while enjoying lemon juice. Come with me. Come.
What did he say? Level, what?
Foolish. It seems you know nothing. Lemon juice, sour and sweet. Okay, listen. Let's first listen to what the Gurudev is saying. Just a hot head every time. Both has hot-headed. What do I even do? Come on.
Mithai left the house, but she still didn't. I feel as long as we are alive, this Mithai will rule over us, right?
Torsha, please try to calm yourself. Anyway, Siddharth is extremely angry with you. If there is another mess now, none of us will be spared. Grandpa has left the house. He's not in the right state of mind.
Exactly. He's not in the right state of mind, so he went to Mithai.
No, Torsha, Rajiv and all forced him. Torsha, we should stop thinking about doing anything against Mithai right now.
What would we do then?
Can I suggest something? We need to lay low and act all good. Everyone has gone to the hermitage to get back Grandpa. We need to do that too. Look, I think you should come with me. Look, if Siddharth sees that, he might think we are trying to be a good person. He will keep himself quiet. The police hasn't closed the case yet. Acha, theek hai, chal.
You know what, Shom? Sid is responsible for this condition of mine. Although he directly said to my face, Mithai is honest. Wasn't I honest? I too was honest, Shom. I don't know how that girl got a guy like Siddharth under her control. I don't know.
Mithai has brought Siddharth very close to the family, Torsha. This is what changed Siddharth. Now, where Grandpa is, who knows what is going on in that hermitage? What will Siddharth end up doing for Grandpa? We should be there anyhow. It's extremely important, Torsha.
Mom, I was saying you wait here. I'll see where Dad is and what is he doing.
Are you seeing Cookie? Did you ever imagine that I would need to ask around to meet your dad?
Mom, please don't cry like this here.
Who's crying, Samresh? I won't cry anymore. I will tell your dad clearly today. Either return home or divorce me.
Mom is absolutely right. That's what you should tell Dad clearly in front of everyone.
What will Grandma say, Mom?
Your grandma will send divorce papers to your grandpa.
Let's go.
Uncle Samresh, I'm saying don't just stand here. Go with them. Don't worry. Listen, a good fight is the need of the hour. Go.
Okay, fine.
Hey,
Hmm.
Sid and Mithai came to this hermitage together. Mom, aunt, grandma, uncle, none knows that.
Hey.
Won't they meet them inside?
Nanda, you are unbelievable. What do you think? Siddharth will chant hymns inside? Nanda, look at that. Oh, wow. They have become monks at such a young age. Nanda, if you ever decide to renounce the world, give me notice in advance.
You're still in the mood for jokes? Really, man? Hey,
Hmm?
both of them are coming. Come, let's ask about Grandpa.
Right,
Come.
come.
Are you looking for someone?
Yeah, Grandpa. No, I mean, Mr. Siddheshwar Modak. He's here.
Oh, he might
Hermitage.
might be inside. Come.
What's this, Cookie? What am I seeing? Your dad's playing football? Hey, does he want to fracture his limbs at this age? Cookie, you need to take your dad to a doctor. The old man is going crazy. He has totally lost it.
Banshidhar, who are they? What do they want here? They are corrupting the hermitage environment.
Who are you?
Who? Please ask this oldie who we are. As if he doesn't know us.
Banshidhar. She is Mr. Siddheshwar's wife.
What are you saying? I have abandoned my wife, son, and family. I'm Swami Siddheshwaranand. My meditation is disturbed time and again.
Dad, what's all this? There's a limit to Mom's patience. Now Mom will leave everything too and then you'll understand.
I have left everything behind to come to this hermitage. I don't care what anyone from my previous life is doing.
What are you doing here, Dad? And why are you punishing us like this?
Banshidhar, come, let's inform priest. There seems to be a war brewing here. Come. Hey, Lord. Come, let's go. Come.
Someone please tell them anger is banned here.
Banned is it? But you can come here as you're angry. Come, Cookie. I will see this to an end today.
Mithai, can you recognize Grandma? I can't.
What's happening in our family? If I hadn't left, this wouldn't have happened.
Exactly. Why did you go to Chennai?
You two could have stopped me once.
Strange. I did ask you not to go.
How would I know? I thought all your problems would vanish if I left.
What do you think? You can abandon your family whenever you want. Do you have that capability? Will you be able to live on the food here? Okay, listen. What will you do here? Do you want to fracture a limb playing football? Listen, this is a hermitage. This is a place for prayers and chants. Listen, please don't do this drama in God's place. You are committing a sin.
Hey, Lord! Hey, Lord!
Look at him chanting. As if he's been a devotee all his life. Hey, Somu, call Gurudev. I will ask him, what should I do? Today I will end this marriage.
Hey, Lord! Hey, Lord! Hey, Lord! Hey,
What
Lord!
all is happening
Hey,
here?
Lord.
Why is there so much yelling? And how are there so many outsiders here?
Gurudev, you be the judge of this. You tell me, what should I do now? This disciple of yours has lost all the ability except to chant. Why should I accept all this?
Mom, please calm down a bit. Please calm down, please.
This is a big trouble now. Huh? Siddheshwar, are you seeing this? Huh? Enough is enough. Your entire family has come to this hermitage. You should return home now. You please talk to them. Please don't disturb the peace like this. Gurudev, if my chanting of Lord disturbs the peace of the hermitage, then I won't speak at all. I will observe a vow of silence. Didn't I tell you not to inform my family that I'm here? You were the one who didn't listen. Now enjoy. See the reason I have lost all interest in the world. Hey, Lord.
Did you see, Gurudev? You heard everything, right?
Listen, Sushma. See, anger won't resolve anything, okay? But let me see. Let me see what can be done. And as you know, this is Radha Krishna's hermitage. Is it appropriate to get angry here? Let me deal with the whole situation. I'll see. Rai Kishori, please take them all inside and serve them the holy offering, okay? Let me see. Let's go. Come, all of you. We have a lot to do. Today is an important festival. We can't forget about that. Come.
Mithai, listen, we need to hurry up, okay? Grandpa would definitely go to the praying room. No matter who sees us, let's catch Grandpa there, okay?
Mom, what did you do?
None of you understood me, Somu. The way I'm feeling inside.
Grandma, will you please stop crying? See, from what I understood, it's not possible for us to explain anything to Grandpa in an instant. Uncle Samresh, you must be getting late. You need to go to the shop too. You better go home. We shall stay here and try to talk to Grandpa. What I feel is there's been a lot of excitement. We need to talk to him with a calm mind.
You mean it?
Yeah.
Amresh is not well and it's necessary to go to the shop too. Who knew something like this could happen?
Samresh, why are you worrying so much? Rajiv is telling you, we all are here. You can go. What do you say, Rajiv?
Yes.
Grandma, how can we take Grandpa back home? I have no idea. Grandpa is behaving so strangely. If he really takes a vow of silence now and doesn't talk to anyone, then the consequences of that, I don't know. I just can't take it anymore.
What is this? Rai Kishori? Rai Kishori, why did you bring this girl here? Tomorrow's Radha Ashtami. We have a grand prayer today. And you bought this family woman here. Are her clothes pure?
Please listen to me, ma'am. Don't scream so much. Vaishnavi gave me this sari, but my clothes were washed and clean. I too pray to Lord. Will you please let me decorate it?
You can just light the lamp. Don't touch the God station. Go. Who knows what Maharaj is up to before Radha Ashtami?
Listen, she's quite hot-headed, no?
A little.
Won't grandfather come here?
He will. Everyone will. Let the hymn start first.
Okay.
Mithai? Where is Grandpa? He's not here. Mithai!
Darsha, please don't create a scene here. This is a hermitage. Please be quiet, please.
Careful, Mithai. There could have been a huge accident here.
I
What do you mean you missed it? You need to walk carefully. Ridiculous. Your sari would have touched the lamp right now.
Siddharth?
Shom. Tess, you both are here together?
Yes, after hearing the news, I couldn't stop myself. But it seems you're busy with something else here.
What do you mean other things?
What I mean by other things is clearly visible to all.
Oh, Darsha. Why are you saying these unrealistic things? Siddharth, where's Grandpa? Has Grandpa gone crazy or what?
That's what he has become.
Come, Sushma, come. Come here and sit. We'll have hymns in a while. Enjoy them. You'll feel a sense of peace, a calm.
You will feel a sense of peace, a calm.
Even you didn't spare Siddheshwar, Sushma. See, a husband and a wife can have arguments and quarrels. But you know what, Sushma? Where there's a lot of love, there's where a lot of arguments happen. Please don't be so restless, okay? Rai Kishori. It seems there are a lot of guests today, huh?
Yes, Maharaj. There are a lot of guests today. All family people.
But where's Grandpa? He's nowhere to be seen.
yeah. When will Grandpa come?